This is just a short video just to talk you through laterally posting an off-the-shelf device. And today I'm just going to use a bio-advanced full-length medium density EVA off-the-shelf orthotic. Now there's been quite a bit of attention in the literature fairly recently talking about lateral posting, and the main indication for it would be patients that have medial knee arthritis. Now the thinking behind it is that if you laterally post an orthosis, then you're tipping the foot in or everting it, and that reduces the adduction moment on the knee joint. So another reason you might use lateral posting is if you've got patients that have got lateral ankle instability, so maybe they're tipping over a lot, or if you've got patients with a neurological condition, they might have got maybe a cavoid foot, or again a very laterally unstable foot. Right, so I've got some posting here. You can just use a normal strip of either 5 degree or 3.5 degree wedging, which I've trimmed down already. So we turn our device over and we're literally going to be posting it all the way down the lateral side. And the reason we're going to do that is because if I only post on the heel, then I could end up everting the rear foot on the forefoot, and then we get to all sorts of problems with the midfoot. So we want to go all the way down. So literally a case of just turning our posting over. Now we want to use the thin side because it's 3.5 degrees whether we use the thin side or the thick side. If we use the thicker side, then we just end up with a step on the device which you don't need, and that will be more bulky to go in your shoe. So draw around there. The other thing you need to make sure is that you leave the first ray clear, because we don't want to jam that up and cause any problems with the first ray. Now if you have any, use a decent pair of sharp scissors, mainly because that will save any stresses on your wrist or your thumb and stop you getting your own musculoskeletal problems, but also it just leaves a nicer finish and reduces the amount of grinding you may or may not have to do on your device. So we just peel the back off. Okay. Place that on. Sometimes you might need to just do an extra bit of trimming like I need to there. And there we have our laterally posted off-the-shelf device.